In this video, we will introduce what the Supreme Court decided in Mahanoy Area School District, VBL. In this case, the Supreme Court decided that a school did not have the constitutional right to punish a student for her off-campus speech this time, but there could be other circumstances where the school could. The background to the case is that a high school student, over a weekend on her own cell phone, sent a text with vulgar messages. She cursed generally school and sports. These messages were sent to her circle of private friends on Snapchat. But the school found out about it and was very upset. And the student ended up being punished for sending the text with the vulgar messages. But the legal question, the issue was whether or not this school was allowed to punish the student for this snap. To resolve this case, the Supreme Court balanced the student's interests against the school's interests. The student had an interest in protecting her freedom of speech. That's a right that's guaranteed under the U.S. Constitution. On the other hand, the school also had an interest because the school has an interest in prohibiting rude and vulgar behavior directed towards a school and its coaches. The Supreme Court decided in this case that the student's interest in free speech outweighed the school's interest in punishing her. So while the court agreed that a school has an interest in proper behavior by its students, for example, by prohibiting vulgar speech, here the speech took place outside of school, on the student's own cell phone, and on a weekend when school wasn't in session. Also, while the school has an interest and the right to prevent substantial disruptions, in this case, the evidence showed that there were no serious disruptions to the school as a result of the student's messages. And while the messages had a curse, they were vulgar, they weren't obscene, and the student didn't threaten anyone. The Supreme Court recognized that it might seem strange to extend this kind of protection to speech that was really just cursing. But the Supreme Court explained that by protecting superfluous or unnecessary speech, we are better able to protect necessary speech. To summarize, the Supreme Court balanced the student's interest in free speech against the school's interest in proper behavior. The Supreme Court agreed that it's possible that some student speech outside of school may be punished by the school. But in this case, the student's vulgar language outside of school that did not threaten anyone or cause a disruption could not be punished by her school.